Business Studies Online.
Business schools offer undergraduate and graduate programs that center around business studies. As an employee, a business qualification increases your salary potential as well as career advancement. As a qualified business graduate, you have better career opportunities than non-business graduates. A business degree increases your market potential as a job seeker. As you qualify a business program, you get exposed to a broad range of careers. In addition to general management-focused curriculum, schools offer different kinds of programs.
You may opt 2 years Master of Business Administration program, 1 year Master of Business Administration program, Executive Master of Business Administration program, Part-time Master of Business Administration program, Distance Master of Business Administration program.
Available program curriculum include both specialized business areas as well as general management. However, many schools now discourage specialized courses and promote general management. Any college can teach you a subject, but many of them can't explore your talent. Talent is that matters too much to modern-day businesses and employers. Online study is an option to anyone with the talent to develop it. Online study offers customized and flexible learning experience. Many business schools help their students achieve their goals with personalized support through academic advisors and mentor programs. Online business programs are available for working executives and those who can't attend regular classes. Business studies online programs include both degrees and certificate courses. Flexibility of timing and affordable fees make online business studies the choice of many working professionals. In business study, you have many choices from an expensive business degree or a free business course. Online business programs allow you to tailor your career and future regardless of your financial situation and time. Availability of your preferred program, affordable program fees, placement record and reputation of the school are major considerations in choosing a school. Business studies online can be done from anywhere, from home, office, or elsewhere in the world, where you are connected to the internet. You can learn the lessons and interact with the instructor and other students through the internet, email, chat rooms and other web tools. Online study allows you to complete your program at your convenient time, eliminating rigid timings of traditional classroom study. Using online notes and training materials, students prepare themselves to qualify the program. Online business studies has created many professionals across many industries. Fee structure of online business studies varies from school to school. In general, online programs are much cheaper than regular classroom studies. Free programs and even scholarships are also available with some schools.
Getting started.
Decide what kind of program you need, a business certificate or degree. This depends on the requirements of your prospective career or research interests and opportunities. Certified training in business administration, management, accounting, finance, etc. provide you advanced knowledge in the field. Internet training centers are an option if you do not need a degree or a certificate. Internet training centers have membership programs that offer both practical training and mentoring in online business. These courses, though not resulting in a certificate, offer hands-on training in running online businesses. They also provide training in internet keyword search, SEO, web design, networking, etc. If you want to pursue a business study without spending money, Online Profits will be the appropriate place for you. This will provide a basic understanding about online business. Online business study is an option for continued education for employees, self-employees and executives. It provides you an opportunity to refine your options at any time in your career. Technological advancements of last 2 decades have considerably changed many areas of business and commerce. Shopping of many products is no more than going to the vendor and physically buy goods and take them home. In service sectors, hiring and firing are no more that used to be in early 90s. You can buy many products and source many services with a click of a mouse. If you are not sure what course to choose and where to study, some business schools are very selective. They may only admit a small number of students into their program, making the application process very competitive. To help assess your chances, match your background with the school's admittance record. If you have doubts about your chances of acceptance, remember that you can apply to more than one school. Along with the course materials provided by the institution, the Internet is a valuable tool to further your knowledge. You might rely on the Internet for your academic assignments during your online program or after the courses your profession demands. Quick search is an easy option to gather information, but it often leads to compromising quality of work. You should have a selective skill to make the Internet search work for your course and professional needs. Without this skill, you might cite irrelevant sources of information and fall into traps. The information you obtain from the Internet may or may not be reliable based on its source. Some of the resource locators provide authentic information while some others do not. Since there is no standardized quality control system for Internet resources, it is better to look for authentic information. Academic publications provide the most reliable information. Academic publications and scholarly journals are based on formal research and peer-reviewed material. Educational materials like online textbooks also provide reliable information. In addition, industry publications, business and company directories, case studies, market reports, business statistics are all valuable sources for your online knowledge enhancement. Professional organizations, government websites, commercial organization, academic bodies, WICAS, podcast and RSS feeds also provide reliable information. Although the Internet is full of information, finding right information needs the right search strategy. You may use a number of search tools to find your information about business studies online on the Internet. Google, Google Scholar, Intuit and social bookmarking is such search engines. You can improve chances of finding right information by using the best keywords and search terms.